Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You have the essentials: account, server address, and password, so begin now. Open Settings or System Preferences, locate Network or VPN. For Windows, click Add a VPN connection. On Mac OS, choose Network Plus to create a VPN interface. If you prefer the provider app, download and install it. This simplifies certificates and protocols. Enter server, username, and authentication type. Once done, save the profile and keep credentials handy. This avoids repeated setup steps and speeds testing. Now you configure protocol and authentication. This determines speed and privacy. Choose OpenVPN or WireGuard for strong encryption and good performance. Pick IKEV2 for mobile resilience. Import a provider profile file if given, or manually enter server, DNS, and shared secret. Set authentication, password, certificate, or MFA. Multi-factor adds protection. Enable a kill switch and auto-reconnect so traffic stops if the VPN drops. Apply settings, then run the connection test to verify a secure tunnel is established. Finish by connecting and validating the tunnel. Check your external IP and ensure DNS leaks are absent. If the VPN won't connect, first re-enter credentials and switch protocols. Many providers offer alternate ports or UDP versus TCP options to bypass ISP blocks. Restart your laptop or network adapter and check that firewall or antivirus isn't blocking the client. Disable them briefly only for testing. If issues persist, collect logs and contact provider support. Make sure to reconnect after fixes to confirm everything is secure and working.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.